Hello, everyone. Welcome to Universal English Guide, where learning English is simple, clear, and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Hello, everyone. We're really happy to have you here today.
How are you feeling today, Liam?
I'm feeling good. It's a calm morning, perfect for talking to neighbors.
I agree. It's quiet here and the sun is shining. Makes me want to go outside and chat.
Exactly. That's what today's lesson is about. Neighbors talking naturally.
Yes. Let's imagine a small apartment building. People see each other often, maybe in the hallway, in front of doors, or near the garden.
They greet, ask simple questions, and share information about daily life.
All right, let's start a natural conversation between two neighbors, Sophie and Liam. Good morning, Liam. How are you today?
Good morning, Sophie. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too. I feel a little tired because I woke up early.
I understand. I wake up at 6 every morning.
Wow, 6 is early. I wake up at 7.
7 is a nice time. I usually leave the house at 6:30 to walk to the bus.
I leave at 8. I walk sometimes, but I mostly drive.
Ah, you drive. I like walking in the morning. It feels fresh.
Yes, walking is nice, especially in this neighborhood.
By the way, do you take out the trash today?
Yes, I do. I take it out on Mondays.
I take it out on Tuesdays and Fridays.
Thanks for letting me know. It's easier when we know each other's schedules.
Exactly.
Do you clean the hallway?
Yes, I clean it on Saturday mornings.
It looks very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And your garden looks great. I see you water the plants every day.
Yes, I do. It takes some time, but it's relaxing.
I agree. I like seeing the flowers and plants healthy.
By the way, I noticed your cat yesterday. It walks in the hallway sometimes.
Yes, she does. She is very curious.
That's cute. I sometimes see her in the morning.
She likes the sun.
I understand.
Do you use the parking space today?
No, I don't. I walk to the store later.
Ah, okay. Thanks for letting me know.
Of course.
It's nice to talk like this.
Yes, short conversations are helpful.
And simple sentences like this are easy to remember.
Exactly.
Let's pause for a moment and notice some grammar.
Sure. Listen to this sentence. I wake up at 6 every morning.
This is present simple tense. We use it to talk about routines, things we do regularly.
The verb here is wake up. When we talk about I, we just use the base form.
Now, notice when we talk about he or she. For example, she takes out the trash on Mondays.
Here, we add s at the end of the verb, takes. That's the normal form for third-person singular and present simple.
Another example, he cleans the hallway on Saturdays.
Even in polite neighbor conversations, this is exactly how verbs are used naturally.
Now, let's continue our conversation from the same point.
Do you use the parking space today?
No, I don't. I walk to the store later.
Ah, okay. Thanks for letting me know.
Of course. By the way, your cat is very friendly.
Yes, she likes everyone.
I noticed. And your garden looks amazing. Do you water it every morning?
Yes, I do. I water the flowers before breakfast.
It makes the building look happy.
Thank you. I like having a clean and bright space.
Do you take out the trash every week?
Yes, on Tuesdays and Fridays.
I take it out on Mondays.
Perfect. Now we have a schedule.
It helps everyone.
Yes. By the way, do you like walking in the mornings?
Yes, I do. Sometimes I walk to the store. Sometimes I just walk around the building.
I like walking too. It helps me feel awake.
Exactly. And neighbors talking like this makes mornings even better.
Yes, it feels friendly and calm.
We don't need long conversations. Short, clear sentences work perfectly.
And simple verbs like wake up, walk, take out, clean, water, like, all make the conversation easy to understand.
Exactly. Now, even if you make small mistakes, people will understand.
Yes, confidence matters more than perfection.
If you practice short, natural sentences every day, your English will improve quickly.
Exactly. And these small neighbor conversations are a perfect place to practice.
Yes, greeting someone, asking small questions, talking about routines, that's all present simple in real life.
I hope this lesson helps you feel more confident.
Remember, start with one small conversation every day.
Talk about morning routines, trash schedules, cleaning, pets, or gardens.
Use present simple, short sentences, and clear verbs.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
If you enjoyed the lesson, please like the video.
Subscribe to Universal English Guide for more real conversations.
Write a comment in English, even a short one.
Share the video with friends and practice every day.
Keep practicing with confidence. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.